A lot of times when you're making a project, it will need a little bit of embroidery on it just to add a little bit of a detail, maybe some eyes or a face on a little stuffed animal. I'm just going to explain to you guys a little bit about how to do some very basic embroidery just to get you started. First of all, embroidery floss. Let's see, gotta get this in focus for you. It comes like this, and then it's a lot easier to work with if you take this and you wrap it around this spool. So that's your first job. Now, once you have it on this spool, you can easily unwind it. And you'll notice that it looks like it is just one piece of floss, but if you look at it closely, there's actually 6 strands of floss in there. And let me do this. This will help you see it a little better. There we go. Okay. There's actually 6 strands. I'm going to put it on this black so you can see it. There's 6 strands of floss in here. So a lot of times on your pattern, it will tell you how many strands that you will work with. So what you'll do is you will unwind the length of floss that you want. I like to do about an arm's length, maybe a little less, so it doesn't get knotted. You'll cut off all 6 strands and then you'll separate them. So I am going to use 3 strands. So what I like to do is I like to fold it in half, and I take this middle part and I count out 3 strands. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So now we've got 3 and 3 strands. It's all separated. And I like to pull it apart from the middle, just because if you pull it apart from the end, it's more likely to get knotted. From the middle, it's usually a little bit easier to separate. So now we have 3 strands, and we're going to put it on our needle and we'll be ready to do some embroidery.